My name's Maya, and I just finished an internship with AV Architects Plus Builders. I knew I wanted to get that experience seeing what the career looked like in actuality, rather than just thinking what the career might look like or seeing how it differed from studying architecture in school. Tony brought out I don't know how many pages it was. It was so many pages. And it was just all these floor plans and section plans and structural plans and elevations, and I just got to see like all of it. And it was really cool because it was so detailed. I got to see like the actual house. Everything that was on those blueprints was actually translated into real life. It was just so interesting because it was so exact and precise with how it was created and just how it got like translated into real life, and that was just really cool. Something I've really appreciated is getting to see how Francisco works with clients, because I came in thinking, oh, it's a corporate environment and everyone's very stiff and like it's like strict business meeting with clients, and instead what I found was Francisco very willing to work with clients to settle their worries, to help and guide them through this home building process, because like they design houses, yeah, but they also help clients manage fears about buying a custom home. And that was also something like I didn't expect to see, because I thought I would just see like, oh, they design homes, that's it. But they also help to give clients that peace of mind when trying to like buy their dream forever home. That's been really nice because it makes me want to do the same thing in my career. Really just work with other people to make things come together and just see the impact that that has on other people and the things that they want to aspire to. To someone who wants to pursue an internship in the architecture and building field, I'd say do it. Just do it.